Hey there AI fans, welcome to our channel where we explore the most exciting AI tools to unlock your creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you the 3 best free AI animation video generators that will make creating stunning animated videos easier than ever. Whether you want realistic animations, fun meme-worthy content, or characters that talk and sing, these tools have you covered, and the best part, they're all free to use. Let's dive into the magic. Tool number 1, HaloEye.video. The first tool we'll explore is HaloEye.video, also known as Minimax AI. This platform is one of the best free text-to-video generators available today. It allows you to create beautifully animated videos by simply typing out your idea. Imagine typing a brave knight walking alongside a dragon in front of a medieval castle and watching it transform into a high-quality video within minutes. The results are incredibly detailed, with smooth animations and consistent movements. Getting started is simple. Head over to HaloEye.video and sign up for a free account. The platform is beginner-friendly, and while it defaults to Chinese, you can easily switch to English with a single click. Once you log in, type your idea into the text prompt box. The tool even optimizes your prompt automatically for the best results, though you can turn this feature off for more control. After a short wait, you'll have your animation ready to download and share. Tool number 2, Wiggle. Next up is Wiggle, a super fun tool that uses pre-made templates to create engaging animations. Wiggle is perfect for creating meme-worthy content, fun dance videos, or character-driven animations. For example, you can upload a picture of yourself, select a popular dance template, and let Wiggle do the rest. In seconds, your image will transform into a hilarious and shareable video. To use Wiggle, simply visit their website and sign up for free. Once you're in, choose from their wide range of templates, which include trending scenes like characters dancing or animals performing funny actions. Upload your image, and the tool generates a video that fits seamlessly into the template. What's more, Wiggle allows you to replace characters in existing videos or create animations with green screen backgrounds, making it great for creative editing. You can create up to 10 animations per day on Wiggle's free plan, which is plenty for most users. From funny memes to cinematic character swaps, Wiggle is a fantastic tool to bring your ideas to life in a fun and engaging way. Tool number 3, Hedra.com. The final tool on our list is Hedra.com, an AI-powered platform for creating lip-sync animations. Hedra specializes in making characters talk, sing, or express emotions by syncing their lips to any audio file. For example, you can upload an image of a character and have them lip-sync to your podcast or favorite movie quote. The results are expressive and bring a whole new level of personality to your animations. Using Hedra is straightforward. Go to Hedra.com, sign up for free, and upload an image of your character. Next, upload an audio file, such as a dialogue or song. Hedra processes the input and generates a video where the character's lips and facial expressions match the audio perfectly. Whether you're making explainer videos or fun voiceovers, this tool adds a unique touch. The tool works well for a variety of styles, from cartoon characters to realistic avatars. With 5 free generations per day, Hedra gives you plenty of opportunities to experiment with creative lip-sync projects. And there you have it, the 3 best free AI animation video generators: HaloEye, Video, Wiggle, and Hedra.com. These tools are incredibly versatile and easy to use. Whether you're looking for realistic animations, fun templates, or expressive lip syncs, the possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you don't need any experience to get started. So, which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.